The Ford Focus has been a popular and successful model globally. It has achieved significant sales figures since its introduction. The Ford Focus has been one of the best-selling models for Ford worldwide. It has consistently performed well in various markets, including the United States, Europe, and China. In today's video, we'd like to share with you the love and hate of the Ford Focus, in which you can understand why Ford Focus transmission had recalls and is it expensive to maintain. Also, you can't miss the features of the new Ford Focus RS. Remember to keep watching till the end. In 2012, the Focus reached its peak sales and totally it sold over 1 million units globally. Very interesting part is that 2012 Focus shared its global platform with its European counterpart, which contribute to its sporty handling characteristics and refined driving experience. And it doesn't end up here. The 2012 Focus offers the optional My Ford Touch infotainment system. It features a touchscreen interface, voice recognition, Bluetooth connectivity, and other advanced multimedia capabilities. Wow, it's the amazing innovation back to 12 years ago. Continue with this big success, Focus kept growing its market till 2014. The 2014 Ford Focus has been associated with a few report issues. It's important to note that not all vehicles will experience these problems, and the severity can vary from case to case. Here are some common problems reported by the owners of the 2012 Ford Focus. First, let's see the My Ford Touch system. The optional My Ford Touch infotainment system in the 2014 Focus has received complaints regarding slow response times, freezing, or system crashes. Ford released updates and improvements for this system over time to better the user experience of their car owners. Number 2. Electrical issues. A number of owners have reported electrical problems with the 2014 Focus. These issues can range from malfunctioning power windows and door locks to faulty electrical connectors causing various component failures. Next is the steering and suspension problems. A few owners have reported issues with the electric power steering system, such as stiffness, difficulty in turning, or abnormal noises. Additionally, some have experienced problems with the suspension components, including premature wear of shocks and struts. Number 4 is the transmission issues. One of the most widely reported concerns with the 2014 Focus and other model years is related to the power shift dual clutch automatic transmission. Some owners have reported transmission shuddering, slipping, or rough shifting. Ford had acknowledged these issues and has provided various solutions, including the software updates, clutch replacement, or transmission repairs. Do you have the similar problems as we mentioned? Please comment below to share with us. And speaking of the transmission issues, let's dive into the details why Focus had transmission recall. The Focus has been associated with various transmission issues, particularly with the power shift dual clutch automatic transmission used in the certain model years. Here are some of the common problems reported by the owners. First, let's see the shuddering and jerking. One of the most frequently reported issues is the shuddering or jerking sensation during acceleration, deceleration, or gear shifting. This can make the driving experience uncomfortable and affect overall performance. The second one is slip ring or clutch engagement issues. Some owners have experienced instances where the transmission slips, fails to engage properly, or has difficulty shifting gears. This can result in a loss of power or unpredictable behavior while driving. Number 3 is the rough or delayed shifting. The transmission may exhibit rough shifting, especially between lower gears, or delays in shifting. This can lead to a less smooth driving experience and impact overall performance. And the last one is the premature clutch wear. Many reports suggest that the clutch in the power shift transmission can wear prematurely, leading to a decreased performance, slippage, or complete value. It's important to note that Ford has acknowledged these transmission issues and has taken steps to address them. This includes issue recalls, extending warranties, and providing repairs or replacements for affected vehicles. If you own a Ford Focus and are experiencing these transmission problems, it's advisable to contact a dealership to inquire about the available recalls or technical service bulletins specific to your model year. They can provide guidance on how to address these issues and what steps to take for repair or replacement. Next, let's see the features of the Focus RS. Like all car models, vehicles may have some mechanical problems. Focus is well known for its performance and reliability, so it has some fans following it. For example, the Ford Focus RS, particularly the third generation model, has been highly regarded as a performance-oriented car with impressive capability. However, whether it's a good car to buy ultimately depends on your specific needs, preferences, and priorities. So, let's see its features to consider when evaluating the Focus RS. First, let's see its unique features. The Focus RS comes with features specifically designed for performance enthusiasts, such as selectable driving modes, a torque-vectoring rear differentiation, and sporty interior and exterior styling elements. And about its performance, the RS offers exhilarating performance with its turbocharged engine, precise handling, and all-wheel drive system. It delivers the powerful acceleration, agile cornering, and an engaging driving experience. Number 3 is the limited availability. The Ford Focus was produced in limited quantities, which adds to its exclusivity and desirability among performance car enthusiasts. Next is its practicality. While the Focus RS is a performance-oriented car, it retains the practicality of a hatchback. It offers decent cargo space and seating for 5, making it suitable for everyday use. Number 5 is the maintenance and running cost. High-performance vehicles typically come with higher maintenance and running costs, including more frequent tire replacement, premium fuel requirements, and potentially higher insurance premiums. It's important to consider these factors when accessing your budget. Although the Focus RS has some potential reliability concerns, such as some Focus RS owners have reported issues such as the head gasket failures, transmission problems, or drivetrain noise. While not all cars experience these problems, it's worth being aware of the potential reliability concerns associated with the models. So, if you prioritize performance, driving enjoyment, and the unique features offered by the Focus RS, it can be a thrilling car to own. However, it's crucial to thoroughly research and consider factors such as your budget, maintenance expectations, and personal preference to determine if it aligns with your needs and requirements. Speaking of the cost of maintaining a Ford Focus can vary depending on the factors, such as the model year, mileage, and overall condition of the vehicle. Generally, the Ford Focus has average maintenance cost compared to other vehicles in its class. Routine maintenance items such as the oil changes, filter replacement, and tire rotation are typically affordable and can be performed at regular intervals. However, it's worth noting that certain repairings and replacements, especially those related to specific components or systems, can be more costly. One aspect to consider is the potential repair cost associated with the power-shift dual-clutch automatic transmission in some Focus models, including the certain years of the 2012 Focus. As mentioned earlier, these transmissions have been known to experience issues, and repairs or replacement can be more expensive compared to traditional automatic transmissions. To get a better understanding of the maintenance cost for a specific Ford Focus model year, it's recommended to consult with the repair shops or mechanics you trust. They can provide more accurate information based on the specific vehicle and its maintenance history. Alright, my friend, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember to subscribe, thumbs up, and share to your friends who have the Focus cars. And I will see you very soon next week. Adios!